locker situation. As you can see, many of the lockers don't have doors. All right, some of them don't have locks. I mean, here's kind of what we're using for locks. It's kind of a quick fix, you know, interesting situation there. And so yeah, I mean, instruments are one thing, but also security for instruments is another. So that's one of the things that we hope to raise funds for. Maybe get new lockers. That's a possibility. So yeah. Okay, so here you see our color-coded closet. It's various assortment of flags, double flags, and these flags here. Yeah, so one of the fundraising goals is to maybe get a color guard coach, you know, so we can pay for the season and have them kind of come in here and, you know, just help to organize this and turn this into what a color guard closet should be, because yeah, this is kind of what we have now. And compared to other schools, it's pretty sad. So this is our instrument closet. As you can see, we have several instruments. However, most of them don't work. So I'm going to go ahead and pull some out just to show you some of the repairs that we need to get. This right here, clarinets. One of the big things with clarinets is that a lot of our tenon corks, or all of our corks for our instruments, they're just damaged. And we don't have money to turn all these in to get them replaced. We don't have an instrument repair kit. That's one of the things we're hoping to get. As you can see here, this one doesn't even have one. So one of the things that we've done to kind of fix that, I'll pull it out in 1 second just to show you. Yeah. So sometimes when we fix it, just throw masking tape on there, but that's a quick fix, and no student should be playing on an instrument like this. It severely affects the tone, and yeah. So, but this instrument's down for other reasons. There's bent keys, you know, just things that we need to get repaired. This one's missing some pads also. Yeah. So all these clarinets here need to be repaired. All these clarinets, all these instruments up here. Here's our trombones. Same thing, they all need to be repaired. Just come back here. We have several tenor saxes, however, none of these work. Again, some of them are missing necks. Let me pull one out and see what we have here. Yeah, this one doesn't have a neck. I remember this one has several bent keys, and the pads need to be replaced. And let me just pull out this sousaphone just to show you what we're working with. Lots of dents, dings that affect just the instrument quality and the sound. This guy's a piece of work. You can just see all of the dents and all. These are old instruments. Also down here, you'll see all this bracing. It's just completely broken. Something that can be repaired. We can save the instrument. However, we don't have money for the repairs. So, yeah. Okay, another popular program we have here at Hoover is our guitar program. Unfortunately, many of the students don't own their instruments, and they have to borrow from the school. And as you can see from this piece of art, that broken nut, broken tuning pegs, you know, it's just that we don't have the instruments or quality instruments to have our students learn on. And here, we got some nice budding artists. And you can see several of these instruments have broken tuning pegs, and you know, they're just all scratched up, dinged up. Yeah. So that's kind of, and this is years of neglect and abuse, and you know, it's what we have right now. And our guitar program is growing, and that's one of the things we also need, just to get some new guitars. So, yeah. The other things that we would like to replace is to get maybe new heads, new accessories for our marching drums. As you can see, a lot of broken parts here. Missing pegs in here, so broken heads. This one's got a pretty good head on it. But let's see. Yeah. A lot of these instruments don't even have the right head on the right parts. So they're supposed to be here. You know, so we're doing the best with what we have, but you know, I mean, these things cost a lot of money to maintain, and a lot of the parts just get broken through normal wear and tear, and we don't have the money to repair them. So a lot of the time students are playing on broken instruments, broken drums, so trying to fix that.